For dedicated gamers, the Razer BlackWidow V4 Pro 75% is a game changer with its lightning-fast, true 4000 Hz polling rate, which provides incredibly responsive performance in every match. Its neat, small form ensures a smooth gaming experience while saving desk space and holding on to all necessary keys. You can create breathtaking effects that match with your gameplay and increase immersion with Razer Chroma TM RGB lighting. This keyboard is made of high-quality materials and is sturdy enough to survive the demands of long gaming sessions, making it a wise investment for any fan. At approximately $300, the BlackWidow V4 Pro is a great addition to any gaming setup because it blends modern technology with fashionable design. The AI-powered Acer Nitro Blaze 7 gaming handheld takes portable gaming to a whole new level with its incredible visuals that make every game seem real. Through its advanced AI updates, it ensures that you can play even the most difficult games and boosts performance for a seamless gaming experience. The bright display offers sharp graphics and vibrant colors, and the ergonomic design makes long gaming sessions comfortable. Playtime may be extended without any disruptions because to its robust battery. Gamers who don't want to compromise on quality when traveling might consider the Nitro Blaze 7, which retails for approximately $400. Designed with competitive gamers in mind, the Razer Wolverine V3 Pro wireless esports controller improves gameplay with its tactile feel and responsiveness, thanks to Razer's hyperspeed wireless technology and customizable buttons. This ergonomic design makes it comfortable to play for extended periods of time, which is perfect for both novice and expert gamers. With its customizable Razer Chroma TM RGB lights, you can customize your setup to your controller. The Wolverine V3 Pro, which costs about $200, is a high-end option for gamers that want to improve their performance. With a price tag of about $50, the FUNDIAN X1 all-in-one wireless gamepad and keyboard combo provides flexible gaming features. Perfect for both gaming and everyday use, this inventive device seamlessly integrates a keyboard and game controller. Your gaming experience is improved on a variety of platforms with its responsive buttons and cozy design. You can set it up clutter-free and move about freely while playing thanks to its Wi-Fi connectivity. You can enjoy convenient and high-performing gaming on your PC, console, or smart TV at an affordable price. Long gaming sessions may be enjoyed with lag-free gameplay and an immersive audio experience thanks to the Logitech G ASTRO A50 wireless gaming headset's light-speed wireless technology. Rich, detailed sound enhances your gaming experience, and it costs roughly $300. It also offers Dolby Audio. The adjustable headband and comfortable design allow for extended gaming sessions even during periods of inactivity. Not only does the bundled base station function as a charging dock, for serious gamers, the A50's sophisticated design and programmable RGB lights combine style and functionality. For both fans and collectors, the vivid PlayStation X Team Asobi ASTROBOT Limited Edition DualSense controller is the ideal tribute to the cherished ASTROBOT franchise. With its distinctive style that includes vibrant accents and lively graphics, with its haptic feedback and adjustable triggers, it offers a realistic gaming experience that makes every action feel real. The ergonomic design of the controller guarantees comfort throughout extended gaming sessions. This limited edition DualSense, which retails for about $80, is a must-have for anyone wishing to commemorate their love of ASTROBOT. The Roto VR Explorer is a cutting-edge motorized virtual reality gaming chair that adds realism and dynamic movement to your immersive gaming experience. It costs about $800, but it provides a fully interactive platform that lets you interact with your virtual worlds in person. Its changeable settings allow it to fit different body types and preferences for the most comfortable experience. The Roto VR Explorer is a must-have for professional gamers wishing to improve their virtual reality experience, as it is designed to work with Meta VR headsets. Your experience with gaming and working is transformed by the cutting-edge Samsung Odyssey Neo G 957-inch ultra-wide monitor thanks to its large curved display. With a lightning-fast 240 Hz refresh rate and a 1 millisecond response time, it's ideal for competitive gaming and ensures incredibly responsive screens. With Neo G9's fantastic contrast and vibrant colors made possible by Nano Mini LED technology, because of its unmatched field of view and immersive 32:9 aspect ratio, every detail is brought to life. As it comes to gaming and other experiences, this monitor, which costs more than $1,600, is a luxury buy. Stunning 4K resolution is provided by the OBSBOT Meet 2 webcam, guaranteeing pristine video quality for online meetings, video chats, and streaming. At $129, it has sophisticated AI tracking technology that tracks your motions on its own and keeps you in focus without the need for any adjustments. Excellent sound quality is produced by its 2 inbuilt microphones, which also reduce background noise to produce crisper audio. The OBSBOT Meet 2 is an excellent option for improving your online profile because of its adaptable features, which are targeted at both professionals and content creators. In order to improve your streaming and recording setup and capture beautiful 4K video at 60 frames per second, consider the Elgato 4K Pro capture card. At $280, it is the perfect device for gamers, content creators, and live broadcasters alike because it operates smoothly across several platforms. Your audience will have an amazing viewing experience because to its low latency technology, by boosting color vibrancy and depth for more vivid pictures, the card supports HDR10. Producing captivating content with professional quality is made simple with the Elgato 4K Pro's extensive software support. Specifically built for gaming and streaming, the Shure MV6 is a high-end USB microphone that enhances your audio experience with its superior sound quality. Crystal clear communication is ensured by its cardioid pickup pattern, which efficiently captures your speech while reducing background noise. The elegant and refined appearance infuses your setup with sophistication. Everything operates with both PCs and Macs and features plug-and-play capability, making it very simple to set up and operate. Regarding streamers and gamers looking to improve their audio quality, the Shure MV6 is a great buy at about $150. Without requiring new batteries, compatible Logitech gaming mice can be powered continually by the innovative Logitech G POWERPLAY wireless charging pad. It is reasonably priced at about $120 and has a stylish design that fits in well with any gaming setup while offering outstanding performance. It provides an optimal gaming experience by improving tracking accuracy. You may customize the RGB lighting on your pad to make it look the way you want. With this creative charging technique, bid disruptions farewell and welcome to uninterrupted gaming. The distinctive snap and stretch design of the Abxylute S9 premium mobile controller, which effortlessly fits into a variety of devices, makes it ideal for gamers who are always on the go. It costs about $60 and improves the responsiveness and accuracy of your mobile gaming experience. For extended gaming sessions, the ergonomic grip guarantees comfort, making it a sensible option for any mobile gamer. You can carry it everywhere you go, because to its lightweight and portable design, the S9 provides a smooth gaming experience at your fingertips, whether you're racing buddies or taking on adversaries. With its cutting-edge magnetic switch technology, which gives quick response times and gratifying tactile feedback, the DrunkDeer G75 Pro magnetic switch keyboard delivers a cutting-edge typing experience. Its RGB lighting may be adjusted to generate amazing visual effects that will improve your workspace or gaming experience. The keyboard has a sturdy construction that is meant to last even under heavy use. This small layout is ideal for both typists and gamers. The G75 is a fantastic addition to any setup, combining performance and flair for only $110. Built on speed and accuracy, the glorious Model D2, the PRO mouse, is a high-end gaming mouse with a fast 2.4 GHz wireless connection. It offers exceptional comfort throughout extended gaming sessions. With its high-performance sensor that ensures accurate tracking, it's ideal for competitive games. With programmable RGB lights, you may add a lovely touch and make your arrangement uniquely yours. The Model D2 Pro is a great choice for gamers who want flair and performance at the same time. It costs about $100. The Sony PlayStation 5 Pro raises the bar for gaming with its immersive graphics and smooth performance, drawing you into every adventure with up to 45% faster rendering. You can jump directly into the action because to its strong hardware, the console raises the standard for visual quality and creates more amazing visuals than previously in your favorite games, thanks to its 8K gaming capabilities. The PS5 Pro offers an unparalleled gaming experience for both casual and ardent players, owing to its expanded collection of unique games and enhanced features. It's an expensive investment for anyone looking to upgrade their gaming setup in the future, coming in at over $700. The ultimate in dual-player gaming pleasure is possible with the innovative Acer Project DualPlay gaming laptop, which allows two gamers to enjoy their own independent screens without the need for split screens. With a stunning dual-display setup, each player can experience gameplay in full definition, offering them a competitive edge. Even during the most intense gaming sessions, this laptop's robust technology ensures reliable performance. Its sleek look and mobility make it perfect for gaming on the go. At roughly $1,100 at retail, the Project DualPlay completely reimagines multiplayer gaming by offering an exciting new arena for communication and rivalry.